Getting on to descriptive statistics. The role and the purpose of descriptive statistics is to describe the data. It is the weakest form of analysis, and mere description cannot tell us anything about causal relationships between factors. This is the famous phrase, correlation does not equal causation. We're not quite to the bivariate correlation yet, but even here, when we're doing a basic crosstab analysis, we still can't infer things about causal relationships. We can only describe patterns of association. But descriptive statistics are important to orienting ourselves with what is going on within our own data. We can, for instance, look descriptively at rates of literacy across country. We can look at who votes by class. We can look at party approval ratings. All of these things aren't causal in and of themselves, but describing the data itself as a process still tells us about the population that we're studying. When using descriptive statistics to communicate information about our sample, there are some basic ways that people do this. There is a graphical representation of the data. That can be with pie charts, bar charts, or histograms. You can use tables or a tabular description, such as with a normal kind of table that you set out, or cross tabulation. And you can also look at summary statistics. You can look at the mean, the median, or the mode. First, some terms. What do I mean by a variable? Well, here it's a measure of a quality or characteristics on which people can vary. That might be age in years, income in dollars, partisan identification, the region of the world that you live, or your country that you live in. If you're a member of a religion, what religion is that? Do you express liberal or authoritarian views? What are your economic evaluations? These are all things on which people can vary that we can categorize and use their variation to predict other things about their attitudes or their behaviors.